Hey, this is Stacy with Stacy Dawn Realty. I'm at 5802 Kansas Street. Got a beautiful 4-story townhome, 3 full baths, 1 half bath, 3 bedrooms, and a view of the skyline. Check that out. Huge rooftop deck. And they just put down new decking, which is really nice. Huge deck, beautiful view. Get your view of the city. Let's go ahead and check it out. I'm actually on the 4th floor. So if you like to entertain or stuff, if you had a grill up here, you do have a sink, which is nice. Wood flooring. This actually has 2 balconies. One on the 3rd floor, small balcony, and one on the 2nd floor. So you see your balcony. 2nd floor is kitchen and living. 3rd floor is where I'm at. This is going to be your primary bedroom. Lots of windows, which are really nice. Big, huge primary suite. Double vanity sinks in the bath. Nice walk-in tile shower here. Gorgeous sit-down soaker tub. Got the headrest and the armrest, which are really nice. Got a closet here with some built-ins. Built-in drawers, built-in shoe rack. Toilets in here, of course, with the door. Give you another view. Got lots of storage right there, which is nice. Big primary bedroom. Then you have the utility room, which the washer and dryer does come with the home. So you have washer, dryer, and refrigerator, and you got some cabinet space and folding space there. Here is another bedroom, 2nd bedroom, full bath with a nice walk-in shower, ceiling fans. And we're gonna go down to the 2nd floor, which is the living and the kitchen. And again, here's another balcony. The house does come with the couches, the end tables, the dining room table, and again, washer, dryer, refrigerator. He also left a Weber grill if you want to use that, and a dartboard. Those are in the garage. Here is your living area. Lots of natural light, open kitchen concept. Nice dining room area. Again, he is leaving his dining room table. You have your half bath here, so if you're entertaining, nobody has to go upstairs to your bathroom. Check out the kitchen. Then we go downstairs to the bottom stairs. Let me turn on those lights real quick so you can see the lights. You got stained concrete as you come in. Got some extra storage here, which is really nice, right under the stairs. So if you got some stuff you need to store, got plenty of room. Have a coat closet right here, which is nice. Then your 3rd bedroom is downstairs. It has a full bath, step-in shower, and a nice sized closet. And again, downstairs right here, the flooring is stained, the concrete. Big, large garage, which is nice. He's left some stuff. Got a dartboard he's leaving. There's the grill over there, some storage here, but let's go check out outside. One nice thing, this home sits on a corner lot. So as you can see, you're on a corner lot, big nice corner lot. 4-story townhome looks like this, really nice, but one thing that this one has that a lot don't is a side yard, which is really nice because you got a side yard right here, and they've got turf. So if you're in the market looking for a townhome, 4 stories high, well, it's actually a single family home. It's not attached to the other one. Give us a call at 832-250-7481. It is for sale. It is for rent for $47.50. Have a great day. We're having an open house today, so come on by and see us.